Today is, what day is it, Maggie?
The 8th.
March 8th of 2008. And we are in the middle of a blizzard. That is the ugly brown building that is in the front of the house. I've been trying to get John to get it torn down for quite some time now. The snow has been falling since yesterday at 11 o'clock a.m. That is our front porch. That's the mound of snow we have on our front porch. That's the stairwell that leads downstairs. And I'll try to get around the other way so you can see the front door. We got little Lucky McCluck here. Let's look at the dogs. There's Lucky. And there's Boo. There's Maggie.
Yo.
Let's come around here and go back outside. Okay, so there's the front door. And there's the snow piled up by the front door. So we are going to go outside with the dogs for a little bit. I need to shovel off the back patio so that the dogs can go outside and go potty. The mall ended up finally being closed. Beth and Amber and Catherine worked this morning. Not too many guests came in, but the mall finally ended up closing later in the day by 1. And I had to go get Beth and Amber and drive them home. I almost got stuck in the driveway coming back up. So we are going to go outside and
have a darn good time. Gee Willikers. Yeehaw.
here we go.